it's me Muhammad, and today I'm gonna show you our new product TY60 Pro. TY60 Pro 60 watts single light, two together is 120 watts. Let me show you inside the box. So well guys, a 60 watt compass, high quality. So well guys, here is the heat sink, high quality CSP light, high power fan. So well guys, let me test in the tester how many original power. Come on. So well guys, you can see here the original power 60 watt and 6000 plus lumens. So well guys, this is TY60 Pro LED light, and remember that one light is a 60 watt, two together is a 120 watt. Price is a very reasonable, available all Toby's their outlets, Dragonmart branches, tobysouq.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba as well. So well guys, stock is ready, limited stock available, price is a very reasonable, make order now, come on man.